Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TypeScale tools for responsive typography step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type typescale.io and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Tools section in the navigation menu. Click on the Tools option to access the available TypeScale resources. Scroll down until you find the TypeScale tool for responsive typography. Click on the TypeScale link to enter the tool page. Here, you will see various typography options and settings. To download, locate the download button or link provided on the page. Click on the download button to start the process. Depending on your browser settings, a dialog may appear prompting you to confirm the download. Confirm the download to save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file related to TypeScale tools. Double-click the file to extract its contents if it's in a compressed format. Follow the instructions in the README file included for setup guidance. Open the TypeScale tools in your preferred code editor. Explore the features available to enhance your responsive typography. You are now ready to integrate TypeScale tools into your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.